Hey everyone, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to sign into your Google Classroom for your student. Today we're going to practice no matter if you're at home learning virtually or if you're in class learning how to get onto your Google Classroom page. So the first thing is you need to search in your search bar up here, Google Classroom login, and it's going to take you to this page. And this is your sign in for your Google account. Now, each student has their own Google account, and it's their first name dot last name at wyndham.k12.ct.us. Okay, so I'm going to use student email just to model. And see, I already made a mistake because I forgot the 30. First name dot last name 30 at wyndham.k12.ct.us. So that's your username. Your password is your lunch number. So you would type your student's lunch number in, or the student, you guys would type it in. Okay, and then you're going to come to a page that looks like this. If for some reason you don't get to your page of your different subject areas for school and it sends you to a different page for some reason, there are these dots up here that look like in the shape of a square, and you can actually find Google Classrooms right here. So if you don't see this image behind, you can click on Classroom. That means Google Classroom, and it will send you to where you're looking for your assignments. So for practice, we're going to go into language arts for reading because that's going to be my reading page. You'll also notice I have a science page, a math page, and then there's going to be some specials pages like art, Spanish, library, and music. But for right now, we're doing practice work for my class, so we're going to click on language arts. And this is where you're going to find all your reading and writing assignments when we're using Google Classroom. So it says Ashley Welch posted a new assignment, practice work for using Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on that. That's your assignment that you're going to work on. And this is the title of the classroom assignment. You'll see points. Don't worry about the points right now. It's just something that they put in automatically with Google Classroom. There's no grade for this. All right, so you have to read your directions. Every time your directions will be here. Click on the Word document called Practice for Google Classroom. Read the directions and type in your answer. Once you are finished typing in your answer, hit the Turn In button. Okay, so over here it will say your work and it's assigned. So you'll see your name because each student gets their own copy of the work to type in and write on. And so you're going to notice it's here. This Turn In button is when you're 100% finished with an assignment. We're going to come back to that in a minute. So I'm going to click on my assignment. Okay. And here, name and favorite color. So I was playing around with this before. So on your screen, what you'll see is this. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your name. So if I was doing this for my page, that's my first name, and my favorite color is red. So you would have to put in your name here and your favorite color. Now, you finish the assignment completely. So you are going to be turning it in. Now, I know this is kind of scary because you say, all right, well, where's the save button? Well, the good thing about Google Classroom is that it saves automatically every few seconds. So the things I typed in here are saved right now. You don't even have to push a save button anywhere. What you do, now that you're done though, you're going to go back because you'll have two different tabs up here. I have a lot of different teacher tabs right now, but you'll have two tabs. Okay, and you're going to say turn in. And it says one attachment will be submitted for your work. And then you're going to turn it in. Once it's there, you can see your work has been turned in. Now I'll get a message saying you finished your work. So that's how you would get onto your Google Classroom page, get your work, type in an answer, and then turn in your work. I hope this was helpful in logging on and getting a practice work done.